How to get started with TeamViewer remote control. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, download and install TeamViewer on both the device you want to control and the one you'll be using. Open the app and you'll see a unique ID and password on the device you're controlling. On the other device, simply enter the ID and password to establish a secure connection. Once connected, you can remotely control the device, transfer files, and support with all ease. TeamViewer's simple interface and strong security ensure a smooth and safe remote control experience. Start now and boost your productivity. And that's how you start with TeamViewer remote control. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.